how to find skip-lagged flights. Search flights on Skiplagged. If you want to search or find the flights on the Skiplagged app, it is very simple for us to do so. First of all, make sure that you open the Skiplagged app and then just make sure that you're signed in to your respective account. Then, after you've done that, at the very top of the search bar you can see it says where do you want to go. Now you must also select your current nearest airport, by the way, and then you have to select your destination to the flight that you want to find, right? Which is your pickup destination and your reaching destination. So you can see from your location to the next destination stop. So where do you want to go in this case? So I'll just go ahead and type in my destination location right there. And once I've done that, I can simply select the date, the amount of people that's coming with me, and make sure that you select flights over here and then just tap on the search flight section. Now it'll ask you to get notified, but I'll just skip that and you will see all the available flights from that particular location to the destination airport, and along with all the necessary flights and the cost along with the different time. So just select the one that best suits your needs, and then you'll be able to confirm and book the tickets. This way you can find skip-lagged flights. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.